Hello, everybody. We're just doing a plain American chicken cheese sandwich. And what we have here is our tomatoes. And we're going to put our coleslaw on. And this delicious recipe of the homemade coleslaw will be also posted. Okay, now we're going to put on our banana peppers and our onions. You can also find this American chicken sandwich on my YouTube page under Duke Star American Chicken Sandwich. Good to the heart, mind, and the soul. God is love. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Y'all have a good day.